Today, my lola celebrates her 83rd birthday. So, hi friends, I'm back with another video. Hope everyone is having a good one. And like I said, we are celebrating my lola's birthday. So, dumayo kami ngayon sa Cavite. Dito kami magse-celebrate sa Funside Ningnangan. Apparently, marami silang branches. So, dito tayo kakain sa May Dasmariñas. My family who lives here frequents this place. They really like the food and the vibe here. So, dito na rin yung binok nila. And first impressions, maganda naman talaga yung lugar. Very Filipino yung style. Al fresco din. Tapos, fresh foods yung mga sinaserve nila. Kaya naman feeling ko mag-e-enjoy kami sa food dito. Syempre, since birthday, may dala tayong gift. Kaya naman bumili kami ng Ensure Gold. And I'm not gonna lie, sobrang mahal pala ng gatas na to. But hopefully, she enjoys it and magamit niya sa araw-araw. 12 noon yung usapan, pero late na nagsidating yung mga tao. Kaya naman, itong maama ko nag-i-star magic na. We had to make orders na kasi di na namin maantay yung iba. And para makakain na rin yung mga taong nandun. Meron din pala kaming mga guests na photographers, which is mga kaibigan ng pinsan ko. Because the family planned to have a photo shoot. One thing the family enjoys is taking photos and making memories. Kaya naman meron pa kaming mga dress code, which is white top lang naman. Pero talaga namang pinaghandaan ng iba. Tayo na nga unti-unti nang nagsidatingan. Syempre yung mga babies andito na rin. Dumating na yung mga food. Umorder sila ng bulalo, tahong, pakbet, chop suey, at saka yung isa sa pinaka-highlight ng event, yung lechon. I'm not really a fan of lechon, but let's see kung masarap ba tong lechon na in-order nila. There's nothing really special that registered to me. Although I appreciate yung bulalo. It's something that I was just craving for. Kaya siguro hits the spot siya. Yung mga gulay, okay lang din. I don't really eat a lot of seafoods. At isa na doon yung tahong. Based sa asawa ko, yung tahong daw is malansa pa. So it's not really prepared well. At ito na nga yung lechon. Medyo matabang lang siya. At sobrang oily for my liking. Meron din namang sauce. But it doesn't really give something special to the lechon. As in yung lasa lang ng Mang Tomas. And yeah, nothing really special to me. Sa service naman, medyo matagal sila. Kulang-kulang yung mga binigay nilang baso, utensils, and plates. Saktong gutom na nga yung mga tao. Kaya naman medyo hassle lang. Overall, average lang yung mag-grade ko dito sa Funside Ningnangan. It's a good place to just have some meals with your family when you're on a trip and gusto mo ng stopover. At dahil nga late na yung mga tao, tapos late pa yung food, hindi na nakapagpa-games. We went straight to the photo shoot. Narent lang kasi yung venue for 3 hours, so we have to make up for lost time. We had a lot of categories sa pagpicture, like yung per family, yung lahat ng magpipinsan, lahat ng babies, basta lahat. Lahat ata ng permutation na gawa namin. Ang galing din ng mga kinuha nilang photographer. Kudos to them. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung gift giving. May ampaw na naman nadala si Lola. Lahat kami naka-receive ng ampaw. Meron ding mga pabigay na gift. At ayun, nahiya na lang kami kasi wala kaming dalang gift para sa lahat. Babawi na lang siguro kami next year. Masaya yung naging celebration. Everyone was there. Lahat na busog. Lahat na bigyan ng gift. At syempre, napakita namin yung appreciation kay Lola.
Sige. Lola, sige! Yung bigay kayo.
Ano nga ba ang sikreto sa mahabang buhay? Science says yung pag-exercise, yung pagkain ng healthy, basically a healthy lifestyle. Pero ang naalala kong kwento sa akin ng mama ko, ang sikreto daw is ang pagsunod sa magulang. Yung pag-honor sa parents nyo, yung pagiging mabuting bata, at pag ikaw naman yung naging parent, maging mabuti ka sa mga magiging anak mo. Well, whatever man, I believe that my lola deserves a long life. Gusto naming ma-witness pa niya yung ibang milestone na aabutin namin. At syempre, ang makabawi sa lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa niya. We love you, Lola. Happy birthday.